Today on my clean shaven face, I used Barbasol shaving cream. So today I used Barbasol shaving cream. Today I used Barbasol shaving cream. Anyways, today we're doing a little shootout, trying to test out mic placements, and we kind of already know that we like to have a condenser mic, you know, about 3 to 5 feet away from the amp. And we're just going to move around this SM57 right here, this mic that's hanging. So we have the CD12 here, condenser mic set to the cardioid pattern, same as this, the ECM, is it ECM? EMC?
ECM.
ECM87.
ECM87!
It's always a cardioid mic.
What company makes that ECM87?
Oh, the Gauge. The Gauge makes them. Thank you, I almost forgot that. And we're shooting that out with the SM57 from SHURE. I guess we're just doing shout outs now to everybody. And we want to see how it sounds from a couple different placements in the room. So we're gonna start off with it hanging, then we're gonna move it right in front from on axis. So right now it's off axis, the mic's hanging down. We're gonna put it on axis, directly on, then we're gonna move it back and phase correct it and see whatever sounds the best. So for this this test right here, we have the SM57 on axis right up against the amp. It's a little bit more erect now. For this shot, we have the SM57 at a distance from the amp, and it's pretty erect. It's getting pretty good now. In other words, the further that dynamic mic gets, that SM57 that we were moving around, this guy here, the brighter the sound gets. Move it further away, the brighter your sound's going to be. The off-axis one that's hanging is kind of the deepest, ugliest sound of them all by himself. So you want to kind of match that with something that sounds really bright. The on-axis one that's right in front of the amp. That one starts to sound a little bit like the lows are gone. You start to lose the lows a little bit when you do that. And then we move it even further away. I mean, this is just whatever I just said, the proximity effect. So you move it further away and you start to lose the low end stuff that you get from it. So sometimes if you have one microphone that's really far away, like these condensers right here, it helps to have a microphone closer if you're putting them together, because then you get both ends. Whereas if you're going to have something by itself, you would have to put it at the distance like this. If you have these condensers, from how I've experimented with it, too close to the guitar amp, then you just get all this low mid frequency build up and it kind of sounds like shit. It's just really hard to mix with. So if you have it further away from the guitar cab, you're able to kind of mix without all that low mid to mid frequency bullshit. But with the dynamic mic, you can combine that SM57 closer up and get more low end stuff from that and combine it with the condenser mics here. And get the boast of both the boast of boast words.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.